Welcome everyone. It's time for a quick run-through of the latest updates to ChatGPT, the amazing AI chatbot. From improved accuracy and speed to new features and capabilities, ChatGPT is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its users. Let's take a look at some of the top features that make ChatGPT an essential tool for conversing with virtual AI agents. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. First, ChatGPT has seen major improvements in accuracy and speed. Through its deep learning algorithms, ChatGPT can respond to user queries in a fraction of the time it took before. It also has an increased understanding of natural language, allowing it to better interpret what users are saying and respond in an appropriate manner. It's like it's been hitting the gym and doing some serious weightlifting for its brain. It can understand even the most complex words and phrases with ease, and it's not just because it's been reading a thesaurus. With this level of understanding, ChatGPT can accurately understand user requests and generate responses that will blow your mind. Imagine being able to produce highly accurate and detailed content at a speed that would make Usain Bolt jealous. That's right, ChatGPT is a content-generating machine that can keep up with the fastest of them. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write. ChatGPT is like having a personal writing assistant who is always ready to help you out with the perfect response. But here's the real kicker, ChatGPT is not just a boring old language model, it's got a sense of humor too. So, not only will it help you produce high-quality content, it'll also keep you entertained while you do it. So, don't be surprised if you find yourself laughing at its responses, because ChatGPT is here to make content creation fun and exciting. The second major feature of ChatGPT is its improved memory. This is especially useful when dealing with long conversations. Imagine having a conversation with a friend and they suddenly forget everything you just talked about. That would be frustrating, right? Well, with ChatGPT, you won't have to worry about that anymore. Its memory is like a steel trap, capturing every single word spoken in a conversation and keeping it safe for future reference. But it's not just a party trick, this improved memory is especially useful when dealing with long conversations. But it's not just about remembering, ChatGPT can now use that information to respond to the user's current query. This means that if you ask ChatGPT about the weather in Paris and then later ask about the best restaurants in the city, it will remember your previous conversation and provide you with the best recommendations. It's like having a personal assistant that never forgets anything you tell it. And the best part? You'll experience fewer repeat questions and a smoother, more natural conversational experience. Imagine having a conversation with a robot that can actually hold a decent conversation without repeating itself. It's like talking to a real person, but without the annoying habits and bad jokes. With ChatGPT, you'll have a conversation that's not only efficient, but also exciting and fun. Think of it like having a conversation with an old friend who always remembers the inside jokes and anecdotes, but without the awkward silence. ChatGPT is the ultimate conversation companion, and with its improved memory, it's like having a personal assistant for your brain. So go ahead, have a long conversation with ChatGPT, it can handle it. Finally, after months of hard work and dedication, the ChatGPT team can finally say that their AI model has reached a new level of brilliance. They have significantly improved its ability to recognize context, which means that ChatGPT is now better able to understand the overall conversation and respond in a more appropriate manner. But that's not all, folks. The ChatGPT team has also added a sense of humor to the AI model, making it not only smart, but also funny. Now, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT that will not only be informative, but also entertaining. Imagine a robot that can make you laugh. Who would have thought? And if that wasn't enough to excite you, the ChatGPT team has also added a feature where the AI model can now understand and respond to emojis. That's right, you can now have a conversation with ChatGPT using emojis, and it will understand and respond accordingly. Imagine a robot that can understand your emotions. ChatGPT's new context recognition abilities also mean that it can now make jokes, tell jokes, and even crack itself up. Imagine having a virtual stand-up comedian as your companion who not only makes you laugh, but also understands your jokes and responds with a punchline of its own. So, the next time you're feeling down or just need a good laugh, don't hesitate to turn to ChatGPT, your new virtual comedy partner. With its improved accuracy, speed, memory, and contextual understanding, it's no wonder that ChatGPT is becoming an indispensable tool for conversing with virtual AI agents. But what are its limitations? Well, as a language model, ChatGPT has limited knowledge of world information beyond the year 2021. And its inability to generate real-time information and the latest news and updates on queries is a big limitation, if you ask me. ChatGPT is a text-based AI. This means it cannot respond to visual media queries. And this could be a no for some folks as compared to some other AI tools that we would consider in our next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Turn on notifications, like, follow, and leave a comment.